So what we built for this hackathon is called JusticeMap. Over 80% of low-income Americans who face a legal problem never get any help. Not because their case is invalid, but because they cannot afford a lawyer. And we built JusticeMap to fix that situation. So the main page is just talking about what the services we offer and how it's different from an AI chatbot. Now, currently, people who use LLMs as lawyers can obviously tell that it sometimes hallucinates and gives them wrong advice. However, ours is different. It actually verifies real municipal code documents. It covers 3 major cities so far: New York City, Chicago, and LA, and we plan to add more, as well as just federal and general government regulations. We scrape 50,000 real municipal code documents. It works in 12 different languages, and every citation is mathematically verified before it hits your screen. Let me show you an example. For instance, we could go New York City, right? New York City, and let's do a common situation like heat and repairs. My landlord hasn't fixed the heat in 2 weeks. It's winter and the temperature inside is dropping below 60 degrees Fahrenheit. It's pure, simple language, nothing complicated, no law jargon, and it's any everyday average person can use it. Let's quickly analyze this. So 4 specialized agents are currently running right now. The first rewrites my messy input into optimized retrieval queries before anything touches the database. The second runs those queries against our Chroma DB vector store using semantics and binary, so it understands that a 55-degree apartment is about heating complications, even if I never use that phrase. So it's optimized for many different queries. Third agent analyzes the law, and our fourth writes a demand letter that we can send to a higher up person. All right, this is the most interesting part. So the 75% score you see is a thing called a legal grounding. We embed every claim the AI makes and every source document chunk into a vector space and compute cosine similarity between them. If a claim does not match a real retrieve statute above a 0.70 threshold, it gets flagged as unverified. So we are not providing false information. We are not providing anything that can make someone do something wrong. This is how we prove that AI is not hallucinating. In a legal context, a confidently wrong answer is genuinely dangerous. This is the mathematical proof that it is not. Now, if you look through here, the laws, directly stated laws, you can also look at a nice little graph view of the laws as well, that support your current claim. It gives you the next steps, like for instance, calling the New York City Housing Prevention or filing a complaint. And we also use Wolfram Alpha. It gives us real data information about the current city, and it can tell us what percentage of the peers around you, the citizens around you, experience the same thing. And we also have a thing called a demand letter. Now, this can be directly addressed to the New York City Housing Prevention and Development place, and you can directly send it to them and hopefully get funding or something back in return. This normally costs $200 at a law office. We do it for free. Again, in the end, we're trying to make things better. We're trying to have people access to law, free access to law, and regular everyday citizens can actually have their rights.